So before we paint these, I'm going to wipe them down one more time, and I'm going to mask them off, and then we'll come back and trim the masking tape. All I really want exposed is where the brake pad is going to come into contact with this surface here. I'm going to take a measurement off of the rotor and see where the rust is, which is going to indicate where the pad contacts the rotor. So I'll measure from the outside in, and then also from the outside to the edge of the contact surface. And then I will come back through and trim this, and then I can spray. All right, so the measurement, the distance from the hat to this edge is 1/2 of an inch. I've got a carpenter's pencil that's very close to 1/2 of an inch. So what I'm going to do is use it as a guide. Just going to put this here and run these together. And then I'll use that as my trim line. So I'll trim that, and this one was 1/8 of an inch off the edge. And I think I'll just use the width of the marker. All right, so I'm going to flip it over. I'll do the same thing on the back side, and then I'll trim it, and then we'll spray. Alright, so I'm going to be painting these with Duplicolor Caliper paint. Hope you can see that. I'll get a better shot if you can't read that. So I'm going to put a couple, probably 3 coats on. All right, well, here we are. It looks like it's fairly dry. I'm just going to pull the tape from the top side of the rotor. Alright, so just real quick, this is what we're looking at. Again, this lip is just the area where the current rotor is rusted from the brake pads not contacting that area. And then another important area to make sure you get some paint is in these fins, just to keep rust from happening in there. It's going to be impossible to get all the way down in there, but here are the painted front rotors. These are the bare rear rotors. I'm going to leave the rear rotors for now. I'm going to be installing these and posting a video on that. In that video, I might paint the calipers too,